Okay, so we are done with the plant tissues now. Let us discuss the animal tissues. Tissues present in you and me, in rats, dogs, and cats. So, in the last unit we studied that cells is what make us, right? Cells are the fundamental unit of life. So, our hands, our feet, our head, our eyes, all are made of essentially cells. And tissues are nothing but similar performing cells. Hence, all across our body we have one or other type of tissues. It is the scientists, who have given different names to these tissues based on their function and their structure. For example, the tissues in our bone and spinal cord are called nervous tissues. Then tissues in our heart are known as cardiac muscle tissues. Then the skin is called epithelial tissue, and so on. Blood is an example of connective tissue because it connects across the body, right? What is an epithelial tissue? Also known as covering tissue. Can you think of what could be an epithelial tissue? Skin is an example of epithelial tissue. It is the simplest animal tissue, and in the mouth, lining of respiratory tract, reproductive tract, nasal membrane and kidney all are epithelial tissues. Then based on how the cells in these tissues are structured or grouped together, there are several types of epithelial tissues. Squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, stratified squamous, stratified cuboidal, pseudostratified columnar and transitional. Simply by looking at it, you will get to know what does it mean. You see cuboidal shapes over here, so this is called simple cuboidal. You see cubes, placed one over another, you call it stratified cuboidal. You see columns like structure, you called it simple columnar. Oops, why this picture of a pavement here? I see. Squamous epithelium are also known as pavement epithelium. Do you know why? Because of how they are placed together. Look at this, right? It's like a pavement. So we call it as pavement epithelium also. Now what is the location of simple squamous? Again a good question from competition perspective. Areas with regular wear and tear is the place where you will find simple squamous tissues. Blood capillaries, lung alveoli, Bowman's capsule. Next tissue